Today we're going to take a look at the Valterra RV fixed Y double valve. Has a 3-inch hub, has the 1.5-inch rotating spigot end, and a 3-inch bayonet cap end. Now this part is made of a durable hard plastic construction. It is designed for black water and gray water connections. Now the Y design basically means, if you'll notice here, the smaller 1.5-inch tubing branches off at an acute angle to form a letter Y. Now the 3-inch bayonet end right here, it is designed for use with this included bayonet cap. And if you notice, when you remove the cap, it does have a tether attached to it, which keeps you from losing the cap. Or you can also connect a drain hose to this end also with using a bayonet fitting. Now when I say bayonet fitting, basically a bayonet fitting is the one where there's 4 pins on the pipe end, and then there'll be hooks. Like on this one, there's 2 hooks on the cap end. So when you go to attach it, you just put it on and then you twist it, and those hooks will close around those pins and give you a nice secure connection. Sometimes on a drain hose they might have 4 pins, 2 pins are 4 pins, but they're same way. You just push it on, twist it, and it gives you a nice good connection. Now the 3-inch waste valve body, this part right here, this is designed, it's a Blade X design. It is used to open or close the tube opening on the black water end. You'll see when I pull it open, the gate opens, push it close, it closes it. On the 1.5-inch waste valve body, it is also a Blade X design, and same way. When you pull it, you'll notice the gate will open, and then push it in, it'll close it. Now both valve bodies can be rotated on the pipe to fit your specific application. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is remove the 4 nuts and bolts, and then you can rotate the valve body and then tighten them back down to the desired position you need. Now both valve bodies, they do have metal shafts right here, you can see, with the plastic handles. And also one thing you'll notice, they're color coded. On this one you can see the handle is gray for the gray water end, and on this one it's black for the black water end. Now the last thing, I do want to give you a few internal dimensions on this. So we'll start with the 3-inch hub end right here on the black water end. The internal dimension on this is 3.5 inches. If we turn it around and go to the bayonet cap end, we'll take that off, measure the internal of that tube, and it'll be 3 inches. And then the last measurement we're going to do is the 1.5-inch rotating spigot gray water end. The internal on that is going to be right at 1.5 inches. But that should do it for the review of the Valterra RV fixed Y double valve, 3-inch hub, 1.5-inch rotating spigot, and 3-inch bayonet cap.